affectionately call ABIR for 3 years now. And you came from the regulatory arena, but you also work for a publicly traded company. You've seen a lot of sides of our industry. So tell us what brought you to ABIR and how things are going.
Well, Sean, I've always been an admirer of the Bermuda market, and I really got to know about it firsthand when I was an insurance commissioner in the state of Missouri. And after we had the Joplin tornado, I felt the power of the Bermuda market and their responsiveness, their agility, their speed to market, and really their value proposition of responding to a natural disaster, natural catastrophe. And particularly in the areas of liquidity for insurance companies that rely on reinsurance to offer more products and services to their customers, and making sure that liquidity is there in times of disaster. So it's a pleasure to work in the market. I've been coming to Bermuda about 25 years. As you said before, I was a regulator and with a publicly traded company.
Oh, that's great. No, we in fact, at III, we focus a lot on resiliency. We have our Resilience Accelerator working to help people change their behaviors and bring risk more to the forefront of their minds. And I honestly, having myself also visited and worked with Bermuda, the country itself is a model for resiliency. With the hurricane comes through and it's mostly a fun event because things were built so well. And people just need to lock themselves down. So how do you see Bermuda actually contributing that focus on resilience to the world overall?
Well, it's interesting you talk about Bermuda being prepared itself for a hurricane. I lived through Hurricane Paulette last year in Bermuda, and it is an experience, but everything is so designed and constructed to withstand hurricane strength winds that you do feel the safety and comfort. Almost all of the water systems in Bermuda are self-sustaining. And so it really is built for hurricanes in the island jurisdiction for itself. But in terms of our industry, when I think of climate, I think of capital and capacity. And that's really where Bermuda market will make a difference in dealing with resilience. Now, our number one issue where our industry can make a difference. If you talk to your kids or your friends of your kids, it may be the first time where our work in the industry is resonating with the next generation. And I do think it's our opportunity to lead in the area of climate resilience and mitigation and adaptation. And we're excited about those opportunities.